Hello Wiki fans, today we will take you for a great journey where we will learn new things together. WikiVirals will give you brilliant ideas which might be useful or deadly. Just kidding. In this video we're going to show you 9 simple ingredients to get rid of facial hair at home. Typically, the unwanted growth of facial hair on women happens because of high levels of androgens, like testosterone, in their bodies. These strands aren't necessarily dangerous to your health, but you may want to remove them, and there are many options you can choose from, like electrolysis, laser removal, or waxing. But many of these techniques can be expensive and even painful. That's why WikiVirals has gathered a few recipes that can help you get the smooth face you've always wanted, and the best part is that you'll certainly be able to find all of these items right in your own home. 1. Oatmeal paste plus honey plus lemon juice. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of oatmeal paste, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Oatmeal is great for many skin conditions such as itchiness and irritation, and it's particularly good for exfoliating. When mixed together with honey and lemon juice, it also helps in the removal of hair. You'll have to mix up all these ingredients into a paste, rub it into the hairy area, and leave it there for 15 minutes. After about a month, you'll start to see the results. 2. Sugar plus water plus lemon juice. Ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. This technique, widely known as sugaring, is popular because of its ability to tone down the hair growth, meaning you will gradually have less hair to worry about every time you repeat the process. Boil the mixture in a pan, place it onto the stove, and let it boil slowly. Stir it and make sure the mixture doesn't burn or stick to the pot. The final product should be a golden color. Let it cool off before using it. Apply the sugaring paste and mold it onto your skin, using a flicking motion to remove the hair from its root. It can also be used for many areas of your body, face included. It's recommended to repeat the process every 4 to 6 weeks. 3. Papaya plus milk. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of papaya's pulp, 1 tablespoon of milk. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that can dilate the hair follicles and make hair naturally fall out. Plus, the lactic acid in the milk removes your epidermis, outer layer of the skin, leaving you with a smoother, brighter complexion. Simply mix the papaya with the milk in order to make a thick paste, and then apply it to your face. Massage it into your skin, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. Repeat the process once a week. 4. Egg plus sugar plus corn flour. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour. If you mix these ingredients in a bowl, you'll be able to create an effective peel-off mask for hair removal. The egg whites are very important here, since they will improve your skin tone and form a thin film on your face that helps in the depilation process. 5. Spearmint tea. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dried spearmint, 4 or 5 fresh spearmint leaves, optional. Spearmint tea has been proven to be effective as an anti-androgenic element for mild hirsutism, and that means it can totally help to remove any undesired facial hair. Drink it twice a day and you'll be able to balance your hormones and diminish your hair growth. 6. Barley plus lime juice plus milk. Ingredients: 3 spoonfuls of barley powder, 2 spoonfuls of lime juice, 3 spoonfuls of milk. While the lime juice will tighten your skin's pores, the barley will exfoliate the skin and scrub the unwanted facial hair, making its growth slower and also softening the skin. 7. Orange and lemon. Ingredients: dry orange peel, dry lemon peel. Once you get a thick paste with these 2 fruits, you'll be able to bleach your hair and easily exfoliate your skin. The orange peel has properties that hydrate the skin, helping your skin glow. It can even manage acne and scars. The lemon will help to bleach and lighten the remaining hair. 8. Turmeric plus gram flour plus salt plus milk. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1/2 cup of gram flour, 1/2 cup of cold milk, 1 tablespoon of salt. People in India have been using turmeric for a long time to remove superfluous hair. This ingredient has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which means it can protect your skin during the process of removal. When you add salt, milk, and gram flour, which has several exfoliating properties, to the mix, you can turn them all into a smooth paste and apply it to the fuzzy area you want to get rid of. Rub gently for 5 minutes, wait for it to dry, and after 10 minutes you can rinse it off. Repeat weekly. 9. Raw papaya plus turmeric plus gram flour plus aloe vera. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of raw papaya paste, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Aloe vera can protect you from UV and gamma radiation damage to the skin, and its gel has moisturizing and anti-aging properties that can help you in the process of hair removal. When you blend this plant's gel with all these other ingredients that hold importance that we've already covered, you have the perfect paste for your face. Apply it and leave it there for 20 minutes before washing it off. Use it 3 to 4 times a week. How many of these items were you able to find in your home? Let us know in the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the journey wasn't boring for you. We'll be waiting for you, our sincere passengers, to take off with us on another flight. Wait. Did you subscribe before getting off? Push the button now or I kill you. Push down here, like and share with other passengers. With love, your pilot, WikiVirals.